Hi there, this is Dave with BRMB Mapbooks, and today I'm going to showcase a brand new feature of showing how to turn on 3D maps. So before I change to 3D, I recommend switching to a satellite or satellite streets layer in the premium maps. So this loads the high-res satellite imagery from Mapbox. And now that I have the satellite imagery enabled, I'm going to click on 3D. So you can see Mapbox has added in the digital elevation models and draped the satellite on top. So it gives this 3D representation of the local area. Now that I have the map in 3D, I can turn on the BRMB adventure layers, such as trails. So now you can get a context for the elevation gain that some of these different hikes require. So you can see, some of these hikes go right up this mountain ridge, whereas, some of these hikes down in the valleys may be a lot more suitable for families with children. So this is a cool feature that you can toggle on and off. And another trick I wanted to show you is once the 3D mode is enabled, you can hold down the right mouse button and move the mouse to spin your camera. So you can get the shot angled whichever way you prefer. So once you're finished with 3D, if you'd like to turn it off, you can simply toggle 3D off once again, and it gives you the top-down two-dimensional version. So that was a brief demonstration on how to use 3D maps within BRMB Maps. Thanks very much.